Hello, Blood and Iron YouTube fans. It's been a little while since you've heard from us. We thought we'd let you know what we've been up to and what you could look forward to in the coming months. Now, firstly, an apology. This last year's been a bit of a mess. We've had several of our senior staff go back to school full-time, and filming schedule has been problematic to say the least. And then our editing computer died. Well, that was last year. This year, we've had some new staff join our YouTube channel. In fact, we are currently training sound, lighting, and editing personnel that should help us get video out to you sooner. We've also had some new hosts join our staff, so you'll be seeing some new faces alongside your old ones in coming episodes. Our founding instructor, Lee, is currently working on an exciting new project that should be ready for launch in the next quarter. So there are quite a few new interesting things on their way. One more thing. We're always looking for suggestions. If you have a HEMA question that can be answered in an episode, please send us your ideas. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, stay tuned for more great content coming your way soon.